Found me one. That front end. Let's see who's getting all the money. Gotta get more access. Look at that. That red frame. Shit. That truck long as heck. You took that you take that drop axle off there. Got a nice long truck. You can put that thing on there. Yeah, that's a nice setup. Boy, that's clean. Yep. I mess with that truck. Real simple. Simple and clean. I like that. Hey. Hey. She over there doing her thing. Y'all ever played Bond? The 007? I think it was. So I feel like I'm walking around there right now. Like Odd Job gonna jump out of here somewhere. All them little pieces. Like here, there's a piece over there that make me really think about it. Oh, there's a red one over there somewhere. But that's what it reminded me of. I think I'm supposed to deliver in that dock at 10:30, but I don't see nobody here. Looks like I can back in off of the street here, because that's what I'm gonna do. Because ain't no way I'm gonna pull in this little place. All this stuff everywhere. That's what y'all gotta do though when you're out here. Do some inspecting. Don't just pull in a place, especially when you got a truck with a little bit of length on it, because you're gonna have fun getting in and out of places. Yeah. Man, I hate when brokers lie to you and tell you appointment's 10:30, get there by 10:30. Go inside to talk to the dude. He says, I don't know why they keep doing that. Appointment time is 12:30. They send guys in here all the time and the appointment's not till 12:30. I guess I'm gonna be bothering them about detention, because after my 2 hours, I'm bugging them up here. Raycon says 10:30, so 12:30. You owe me some monies. I love Miami. Make it nice and tight. Make it nice and tight. That way, you can tear your truck up. I gotta move all these cones now. So I'm gonna try to get in here and make a U-turn. I don't know why they got all these cones. We're gonna move this shit up. We got to get in the dock. So we go on and get in that dock and wait 12:30. Okey-dokey. Let's do what we do. All right, time to play the wiggle game. Here a little bit. We're in the James Bond area. Thought you was going to the truck show, huh? You thought you was going to the truck show, huh? Nope, no truck show. Got stuff to fix on the truck. See? You get stuff fixed. Trailer sitting over there all lit up. Nice. I need a good, really good polishing all the way around, but if I go back north from here, that ain't gonna do me no justice because they got snow up north. They got like 3 to 5 inches. That's why I ran up out of there. I ran from the north, but it's gonna grab me a load out of Nashville to go back down to Florida. I'm doing the beard game stuff right now, getting that going, so I look real rough. But anyways, got it washed today, and it looks pretty good, you know. Would love to polish it all the way out again. I might. If I do that, then that means I'm not going to be going north of Atlanta for a while, because up north, their weather, man, you know, one day it's 60 degrees, the next day it's 12 and freezing outside. You just can't keep it clean that way. So, but yeah, I think I might sneak up there to the truck show today after this guy gets done doing this airbag for me. And you know, just kind of, I got like little things I want to knock out one by one. I think I might finally take the chain, move this bracket on the messed up tank, and do that today if he has time. Just kind of just do those little things to get my truck back all the way right. But there's a Peterbilt sitting here though that, man, listen, if I had the extra little coin right now, boy, I'd be like, yo, how much y'all want for it? Because I like it a lot. Hold on, I'll show y'all. Yeah, but look at this thing. It's sitting here. I'm like, ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. A lot. I put a little frame on it. It's got too big of a bumper for me, but put a little bit of frame on that, and I have fun with that. Looks like they're doing some upgrades. They're putting headlights in it, getting it, you know, nice. Look down the no roof lights on it, so they must be putting it together for somebody. It's a nice truck. I'd ride the heck out of that bad boy though. Got some little like blemishes in the paint, but you can tell the paint's fresh. Like it needs a quick like wet sanding and stuff like that. You can see little weird stuff like this and this, but for the most part, it definitely must have just got painted. I see all this like shop dust all over it, but I ride that bad boy. Must have used to be red. See all that red everywhere. But it's a nice truck. I'd do it. I'd ride it. I'd get out here and get that money with that thing. Hopefully mine will be done in an hour and a half or so, and I can go stop at the big truck show. I need to polish so bad. All my stuff is discolored. Look at that, discolored. I got it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna run in here and go get my missing lug nut cap while I'm here at the chrome shop. Let's do it. We're gonna see if I got more of these in here. I was in here earlier. Goodness gracious. I asked the lady if they still polish here. She said they do, so I might be able to do that one day. Let's see if I can find these. I don't see them there. See them there either. Where are they? I think all the wheel stuff is back there. Oh yeah, I think we're in the right department now. I don't see them. This might be it. It's close. These are close. Oh, those are screw ins. I don't think they have them. Well, I got more at home. Ask them. Little bunny on the loose. I didn't get lucky. Well, we didn't get lucky. He didn't have it in stock right now. That's how it goes. But I know where they are in Florida and everything else, so we'll go get them down there. See how far along he got on my truck now.